Guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix DJI drone error code 3000 or 30,008. So, in this case, if you're having some problems here with your DJI drone and you're getting that error code 30,008 here or no GPS signal, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So in this case, first things first is you want to basically look back if you made any firmware updates. Now, if you did, well, you may want to restart the firmware update. Now, in many cases, this error shows up after a buggy or incomplete for firmware update. So before doing anything else, try doing the latest firmware update using the DJI Fly app or DJI Assistant 2. So make sure your drone stays connected and don't interrupt the process. Also, you may want to check your GPS interference or restricted zones here. Now, DJI drones won't get GPS signal if you're too close to an airport, hospitals, military bases, or even like schools. These are often geo-fenced zones with restricted GPS access, so try moving away from these areas and see if the signal returns. Now, also avoid using indoor flights or obstructions here, or indoor flights or flying indoors. So never try to fly indoors or near tall buildings, trees, or metal structures. These block GPS signals. Always fly your drone in an open outdoor area with a clear view of the sky. Give it around like 30 seconds to 1 minute to locate enough satellites before taking off. And also, you may want to try power cycling your drone and controller as well. Now turn off both your drone and remote controller and wait for about like 15 seconds and then turn them back on, because sometimes a simple power reset here can force the system to reacquire GPS and clear up the error that we just received. And also, wait for the GPS lock before launching. Now, when you're in a good location, now give your drone time to search for satellites. You should see the GPS icon turn green or show signal strength before takeoff. Rushing takeoff without GPS lock on often causes this error. And if none of this actually works for you, the best and last thing that you could try doing here is to just contact support. Now, in this case, this might be because of a faulty GPS module or a faulty software. So in this case, this might be a deeper problem, so reaching out to support is your best bet. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.